Nothing beats a programming concept put in form of usable, actionable code. In this capstone section, we will build 4 complete projects which will reinforce what we have learned in the previous sections, with each one handling a different approach and application. First project will be a file organizer app which will teach the concept of automation. The app handles automatically sorting files into folders based on type. This is the kind of automation companies use to organize logs, reports, and media files. Second project will be an expense tracker which will teach data storage plus CSV handling. The app gives options to add, view, edit, delete, and summarize our monthly and yearly expenses using a CSV file for storage and retrieval. This is an in-demand skill for analyzing and reporting data. Third project will be a weather app, which will teach API integration. Nowadays, coding is not only about writing our own code, but also consuming existing popular and robust APIs, handling a wide variety of applications. This app gives a console-based interface to get weather details of a particular city by calling a weather API. And finally, the fourth project will be a Python quiz application, which is an interactive console application. The app will deal with reading data from files and structuring it to create a multiple choice quiz with proper automated grading. Let's begin working on these in the upcoming lessons.